Could get very ugly when the Electoral College meets next week. Late today, yet another judge ruled that electors have to follow the rules and follow the popular vote. But some of those electors still are threatening to go off on their own. Denver 7's Mark Stewart on this story tonight. Of course, the most pressing question here, Mark, what will happen next?
Indeed, Shannon, and that is the big question. I was in the courtroom. Here's what the judge said late today. If the electors don't take their oath to support the popular vote, or if they take the oath and then support another candidate, they will be removed and replaced by someone else. And Shannon, they could be prosecuted.
And as we said, some electors say they will break rank, and that includes Polly Baca. So I want to take a second and listen to your interview with her.
You know, I'm Roman Catholic, and I have a moral obligation to follow my conscience. And should I not be able to follow my conscience, yes, I'm the kind of person that if I am not able to fulfill my responsibilities as determined by my conscience, yes, I would be willing to go to jail.
All right, you talked to her, you got the gist of things. What's she going to do?
So I talked to Polly Baca as she was waiting for the ruling, and her exact words to me, quote, "I honestly do not know." She says it depends on the circumstances, but beyond her faith, she does not feel Donald Trump is qualified to be in office. Shannon, she is very troubled by his relationship with Russia.
So on our Denver 7 Facebook page, people are asking why bother having a general election if the electors are just going to do their own thing anyway. A fair question, I think, Mark.
Yeah, a lot of people are asking that very question. Keep this in mind. In some states, electors can do whatever they want. But in Colorado and 27 other states, electors have to follow the popular vote. That is the law. So as a result, similar lawsuits are taking place, at least for the moment, in California and in Washington state.
And Mark, finally here, if electors don't support the popular vote, they really could theoretically go to jail.
It is possible, and most likely it would be up to the district attorney to decide if that course of action should be taken. But the judge today said there could be repercussions and really put the burden on someone else. She didn't want to say whether or not, if this happened under her watch, they would go to jail, but it's certainly something that we need to look out for.
Mark Stewart, somehow this seems an appropriate ending to this unprecedented presidential campaign. Thanks for your work on this tonight, Mark.
And you know